Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company GGMS. They're looking for an operations assistant. It pays up to $48,000 per year. We are searching for an organized self-starter to be our new operations assistant. The operations assistant's responsibilities include reporting directly to upper-level management and fulfilling the duties in their absence. You should also be well-versed in internal operations, take minutes at meetings, forward and distribute mail, email as required, and prepare and file relevant documents. To be successful as an operations assistant, you should possess excellent communication skills and be able to juggle multiple tasks. Top candidates will have strong organizational, critical thinking, and interpersonal skills. Role responsibilities: assisting upper management with operational issues, scheduling meetings and team building sessions as required, promptly answering the questions of staff and other stakeholders, providing excellent customer service and maintaining relationships with vendors. Maintain our HR management system, Ripley, preparing and filing forms and documents, reconciling QuickBooks and generating monthly reports, assist with processing payroll runs, assisting with recruitment and new hire onboarding processes, analyzing all operations and forwarding suggestions for improvement to upper-level management, assist in training junior-level customer support representatives, other duties and responsibilities as assigned, professional competencies, attention to detail and effectively multitask in a deadline-driven atmosphere, ability to clearly and effectively articulate thoughts and points, high levels of integrity, autonomy, and self-motivation, analytical, organizational, project management, and time management skills, excellent written and verbal communication skills, superb organizational skills, outstanding interpersonal skills, a willingness to learn, skills and qualifications, computer literacy, typing, data entry, Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, writing skills, Google Workspace, formerly Google Suite, customer support, customer service, CRM software, preferably HubSpot, Zoom video conferencing, Google Meet or similar, Slack, company messaging. What is GGMS? GGMS, Gallagher Group Marketing Suite, is a digital marketing system designed exclusively for Sierra Interactive's platform. We help real estate agents, teams, and brokerages generate opportunities from new and existing contact lists using email, text messaging, digital marketing, and landing pages. Our mission is to help real estate businesses generate, nurture, and convert leads into transactions. Compensation and benefits: full-time, up to $48,000 per year. Participation in company health insurance plans after 90 days of full-time employment. Paid vacation and sick days. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.